Welcome back to winemastery.co.uk. My name is John Lightfoot and this is
John Murphy.
And we're here to talk to you about wine. Hopefully help you find the wine, if not the wines, that you will absolutely love. In this episode, we're continuing on with tasting 19 Crimes range of wines. And this particular episode, we are tasting a rosé, and it's called, in 19 Crimes version, it's called Revolutionary Rosé. I'm not sure why it's revolutionary, but I'm not sure if they've done something completely different with the wine to make it revolutionary, but we're about to find out.
We soon will find out, John, yes.
So shall we have a look at the colour?
Oh, I'd love to.
Well, I think the colour is, I would say, salmon. What would you say?
I'd be tempted to do that. It's a nice pale pink, isn't it? Yeah, like you say, the salmon covers that nicely.
It does. It does.
And right, let's straight onto the nose.
Straight onto the nose. Why not?
Why not?
Sweeties.
Oh, yeah. I know exactly what you mean.
Pineapple drops?
Pineapple, yeah. I was thinking the refreshers, with the two different colours, but now you're saying pineapple drops, you are spot on.
Yeah.
Oh.
And I get a little bit of strawberry as well.
Well, I'm not getting the strawberry then.
Huh?
I think I'm stuck on that pineapple now.
Yeah, your mind, that's like you're locked in it, as Mr. Spock would say.
Yeah. Was he a fan of wine? I don't know.
Locked in,
Oh, of course.
Yeah.
Way before my time, I'll have to. But no, it smells nice.
Yeah, I mean, the first thing that hits me is my mind goes, is this going to be slightly too sweet for my personal taste?
Yeah, I know what you mean. Well, have a taste. Let's have a taste.
No, I think you have to declare to the viewer that you don't particularly like rosé.
Yeah, I mean, I'm not a big fan of rosés as such.
And why is that?
I just don't know. They don't really appeal. They don't have the weight. I always find a rosé tends to be really quite light and easy. It's a mood thing again. So yeah, at certain points, I would have a glass. It's not as if.
You could say that about white wine though, being light and easy.
Yeah, but there's a complexity of flavour there, which I never really find with a rosé wine.
Yeah, it's because it's sort of like a one-hit taste.
That's all.
Okay, I understand. Well,
Okay.
shall we have a look at the nose? Or we just have a look at the nose?
No, I'll get you straight in for a taste.
Okay.
See, true to form, I've always said, if you can get it on the palate, what you can get on the nose, it's good, and that is, that pineapple's coming through there. And that it is leaning again more towards that tropical style, but it's not much length. It's not giving much away. In fact, it's really quite. There's not a lot of length on there at all. Acidity's nice, but then it just kind of falls off a cliff for me. There's nothing.
And in case it's a new viewer, then when you're referring to length, it's the length of the amount the taste. The length of time that the taste stays in your mouth before disappearing.
Like this, I'm constantly having to be kind of sipping at it, thinking, "What's that flavour? What's that?" But flavour-wise, it's not bad. But again, this is nearly a really good example of, not why I don't like rosés or something, but the complexity is just not there for me.
Again, we've talked about, haven't we, that there are certain wines for certain occasions and certain moods, and this is like one of those hot afternoon. It's not sort of too heavy, so you can imagine sort of, it's very refreshing, and especially if you like it slightly on the sweeter side without being too, without being sweet wines, so sort of towards the medium, then it's refreshing without being cloyy. And nice on the summer. Obviously rosé is very popular in the summer. You can see that in supermarket shelves in the summer. The amount of space given to rosé sort of multiplies by 10 all of a sudden.
Oh, of course, yeah.
It does taste as it smells, and
So that in itself is good. On a personal level, I don't think it's not something I would rush out to buy.
Okay.
I'd have one in the cupboard or in the fridge just for.
Well, we said that for you, we said there'd be two. For me, in terms of comparing this, would I have one of these in my cupboard? John, you've got a wine shop, so it's actually, would you appreciate someone bringing this to your house more than, or would you give it back to someone else?
I think I'd give it back to somebody else. Not in an awful way. It's just not for me.
Not for you.
I wouldn't. I couldn't see me choosing to drink this at any point. So either it would be given away to somebody else, or sit in the fridge until somebody came around who liked rosé, and I could offer them that.
What about pairing this with food?
Pairing this with the food, well, with the cheese, I'm gonna go for a Chaumes, which is a
what?
Chaumes.
How do you spell that?
Chaumes. Chaumes.
I thought it was THAT.
Oh man, and I just went for it as well. I just did it, didn't I? I walked into that. I only had look how proud he is of that. Now, no, I've got Chaumes is a nice washed rind cheese, but it's quite smelly. It's quite mild, but I think that would go together. That'd match nicely, I think. And in the food.
Yeah, I'm struggling with the food, to be honest.
Yeah.
I'm struggling. Maybe this. I know I'm just throwing this out there because I'm not sure myself whether this, but like a slightly spicy pasta. Or do you think that would just overload this?
So he's quite light. I mean, I was thinking there, just would you pair it with food at all, or just like is that the kind of stuff that you just drink on its own, or maybe with the strawberries, as some people would? Or
actually, I maybe if you had like grilled prawns with garlic butter sauce on.
Oh, now you're talking.
Yeah, maybe that would complement this.
Yeah, I don't think you'd be far off with that, John.
Or maybe even sort of garlic butter.
Just garlic butter on its own. Just
not on prawns.
Fair dues. Whatever floats your boat, John.
Yeah. Okay, so let's get to the score.
Okay. Am I still giving 2 scores?
You can give as many scores as you like if you want to confuse the viewer.
I'll just give 1 score then, and for me, on a personal level, and Rosie, 70.
70.
And yeah, it's just not for me.
No, there are some rosés I like. This particular one I haven't particularly enjoyed. That's not to say it isn't a good rosé. It's just not sort of my style of rosé. And I'm going to give this Soixante-Neuf 69.
Yeah, fair dues. Yeah.
Yeah.
I think it is what it is. Yeah.
I mean, I can't recall the price. Is it
£7?
£7? Okay, so it's not too expensive. To be absolutely frank, if someone said to me that was £5.50, then I'd probably feel more comfortable about paying that for my personal palate than I would £7 for this. But it's 150 pennies.
I'm well aware, John.
We have tasted some sort of that price level which I think have been better than this.
Yeah, I will definitely give you that. Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay, guys. Well, if you've enjoyed this video, hopefully more than John and I enjoyed this particular wine.
We tried it.
We tried it. Give us a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Until the next time, and there will be more 19 Crimes of Wine. We have had some 19 Crimes, to be fair, that we really, really love.
Yeah.
So we look forward to finding another one that we really, really love. Until then, chin chin.
Chin chin.